What's up, guys? This is Jordan with Ivey Lumber here. Just wanted to show y'all something that we got going on, a little project down here in Mansfield that we're going to check out. A couple different products that we've used on this house, so we're going to take you guys up here and show you around. All right, so we have here, we use some aluminum white windows here. We got the 6x6 window pattern that we can order in for you. We order all windows and doors for each particular job. That way we're not holding it for a long time, more time it can get damaged. So we order it for every job and then we get it in. That way you can get it installed. Then also down here we used a product, it's called Tando. And what that is it's a product that's, it's an artificial stone look here. They have different patterns and things that you can use. We have samples at both stores in Mansfield and in Halton. But this is the color that we chose to go with here to kind of tie in with the look that we have. Like the look of board and batten we put up. What this is we put up 4x8 sheets of masonite. It's a LP Smart board. It's like I said, it's 4x8 sheets, and then this here in the middle, the batten strip, we used a 1x2. It's ply sim. It's a concrete board. So we just put these sheets together, and then we put the 1x2s, wherever you're going to. We put them every 16 inches or so. Like, it gives it that board and batten look. Let's go take a look over here. Here's some cedar posts that we had. I know we've showed you guys some of the cedar that we have. But this is a 6x6 cedar post we put here for the little awning here in the front, and then the carport over here. This front door is a 36-inch, 6'8" tall. It's the Prairie View Light, they call it. It's a wood door with the glass top to bottom. Just a nice looking door we wanted to use there. Like I said, it is wood, and it's called a Prairie View door. And I think it's a 9 lights, what they call it. So let me show you this right here up top, if you can see. We put up here to kind of break it up from the board and batten up top here in the gables, and then in the back we can show you also. That's a 2-lap. It's also LP product. Same materials, that 4x8 sheet, but it's a 2-lap siding, and we used that up there. So turned out pretty nice. So we continued the board and batten all the way right here, and then we transition to the 2-lap siding for the rest of the house down this way, just to give it a little something different. That's pretty much it. Yeah, if you got any questions about anything, let us know. We hope you enjoy the video, and we look forward to seeing you at either one of our stores in Mansfield or Halton. And don't forget, we also have the Keithville store, which is the outdoor power store. So yeah, come on in. We'll see you soon.